Hi guys, it's Jen from SS Designs Couture, and today I wanted to share a really quick project using our Sunshine Minis transfer, as long as some of our reusable Chalk Couture chips. So you will see this is a really fun mini. We actually have different minis for the different seasons. This happens to be our summer one, and what it is it's a transfer that actually comes in 12 different designs. So when you get it, you're going to have to cut it up, and that should give you about a 2 3/4 inch squared transfer or design that you can play around with. So then you got to go through and you got to pick your favorite one. I chose one of them, although I did end up doing multiple paint chips. For this project, I did the Salty Vibes. I took some Bumblebee paint as well as some Couture Teal paint, and I'm going to show you guys the hot mess technique. So you're going to put a little bit of paint kitty corner from each other, and then you're going to want to put a little of your secondary color, or however many colors you guys are putting on. I chose to put 2 on since it was a smaller surface. Then I'm going to take my squeegee and I'm just going to mish and mash it. You could also use your finger if you want, and what you're doing here is you're just kind of blending those colors together. The key thing to remember is to make sure that you're covering all of your transfer and that the ink is going through the transfer. Now I'm just taking that excess ink, and instead of putting it back in my jar, I'm just going to wipe it off onto a paper towel because it is mixed, so I didn't want to add it back to my jar. Once we have the whole silk screen covered in paste, what we're going to do is we're going to gently pull that transfer up from the edge, and voila! A nice, fun, reusable decoration, decor, accessory item. And now when you get ready to change out your decor, say you want to use that on a garland that you're putting up on your banner, or perhaps you just want to lay it out, when you get done, just take a wet wipe and wipe it off and let it dry, and you'll be able to start all over again. Thanks for tuning in, guys.